Okay, a few of you struggled with this concept, so let me go over it again, and then hopefully this helps. 3x plus 4y equals 20. So the goal is to convert it to slope-intercept form, which means make it look like this. The y by itself is another way I could have said it. So basically, we need to get that variable by itself, which means we have to get rid of the 4 and the 3x. Step 1, subtract 3x on both sides. Subtract 3x, subtract 3x. Those cancel. I'm going to skip lines just to make it look real pretty. 4y equals, these are not like terms, so you can't actually combine them. Okay, so we got negative 3x, and that's a positive 20. And then step 2 is divide by the number in front of the y. Divide by the number in front of the y. So if you notice, it's both things that are getting divided by 4. So in a way, it's kind of like distributive property, but with division. So negative 3x divided by 4 is negative 3/4 x. And positive 20 divided by 4 is positive 5. And now it is in y equals mx plus b form. Okay, and then let me do another one over here. I'll make it a little bit harder with negatives. Oh my gosh, that's an ugly 5. Sorry about that. By the way, when I make these up, I always have to make, because I know the last step is divide, so I have to make this number divisible by the number in front of the y. So when I'm pausing, that's what I'm doing. I'm thinking, what number is divisible by 5? Let's go with a 30. Yeah? Okay. And step 1, subtract 2x. Subtract 2x. Let's cancel. This time, though, we have a negative 5y left over. Again, these are not like terms, so you can't actually combine them. And then divide by negative 5. Obviously, this is going to be much harder because you're dividing by a negative. Negatives always make things harder. Just like real life, negative people make life harder. Anyways, y equals negative 2x divided by negative 5 is positive 2 this x. And then positive 30 divided by negative 5 is negative 6. And it is in y equals mx plus b form. Another example. This time I'm going to make everything negative. Negative 6x minus 3y equals. So right now I'm thinking of numbers that are divisible by 3. I'm going to go with negative 42. Bet you didn't see that coming. Okay. This time, since this is a negative 6x, you have to think of it as a minus 6x. Opposite of minus is plus. You can add 6x to both sides. Those cancel. You get negative 3y equals 6x minus 42. And then divide both sides by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. Those cancel. Y equals 6x divided by negative 3 is negative 2x. And then we got negative 42 divided by negative 3, which is positive 14, I think. Voila. So that's about as hard as it gets. Hopefully that helped. If you like my video, like it on YouTube. Just kidding, I have no idea what I just said, but I've heard other people say it. Shoot. But seriously, you know, it does make me feel good when people like my videos.